Children, how are you all? Hope you are all safe at home, right? Yeah, children, you already completed first lesson in social, isn't it? What is that? Globes and maps, right? Yes. Now, today I am going to start second lesson in social, okay? Before going to that topic, tell me children, you already learned in previous classes about directions, right? How many directions we have? Tell me. Yes, 4 main directions, right? What are those? Pointed is north, opposite is south, west and east, isn't it? Now, children, if anyone comes and asks you any address, okay, what you will do? How you will tell me first? Yes, how you will tell? Beside that, okay, school or back of that playground, right? Like that. That means those are specific particular point or a location, isn't it? You are saying. So like that, see, our earth is very huge body, isn't it? Very huge land masses and water bodies are there, isn't it? It is so much big. Then how you will locate a particular point? How you will tell a particular place? Okay. For that, okay, our earth, okay, what is the shape of the earth? Tell me. The shape of the earth is spherical, right? The shape of the earth is spherical, and the earth, if you look at this, what is this? This is the model of the earth, right? What is this? This is the model of the earth called globe. What is this now? Globe. See, if you observe the globe, okay, clearly, you will find some lines. Look at here. These lines, right? So, these lines, okay, running from the directions, tell me. Here, this one is, this side is west, east, north and south. So, these are, okay, the lines running from east to west, north to south. These are all imaginary lines, okay. By using these lines, we can locate a particular place, okay. If these two lines are intersect means cut each other, then those, okay, we can find that place. So, these lines are nothing but, okay, what we call latitudes and longitudes. So, today I am going to explain about, okay, second lesson, that is latitudes and longitudes. Okay, children. Now, what is this latitude and longitude? See here. Suppose, okay, our earth, okay, the globe, see here, our earth is rotating on an imaginary line. You learned this one in previous classes. Our earth is rotating on an imaginary line, right? Imaginary line like this. It is rotating on an imaginary line, okay? That line we call it as, what we call that imaginary line? Tell me. Axis, isn't it? See here, our earth, okay, it is rotating on a, like this, from west to east. How the earth is rotating? From west to east on an imaginary line. This line we call it as, what we call, tell me children? Axis, isn't it? Now, this is an imaginary line. I said that our, okay, earth means model of the earth, globe, okay, it is having some imaginary lines on its surface. Those lines, okay, I said latitudes and longitudes, okay. Now, see, think this is our, okay, earth, okay. Imagine earth is having an exactly line, okay. I see here, I said the lines which are passing from east to west and north to south, right? Those lines are imaginary lines, I said. If the line is passing from, okay, east to west, this line, okay, those lines, okay, from east to west, like these lines are passing, no? These lines are nothing but parallels. What we call these lines, children? Those are parallels, okay. And if the lines are running, see here, I will draw another picture. If the lines are running from north to south, okay. If the line is running from here, these lines like this, okay. Look at here. From a particular point, okay. Those are running like this. Have you understood now? This line we call it as horizontal line. and this line we call it as vertical line. What this line? Horizontal. Horizontal means what? Like the flat. The line is flat, right? That is horizontal. If the line is straight, then we call it as vertical. Okay. Okay, understood children? These lines, okay. If the line is horizontal, that line we call it as parallel. Why we call it as parallel? Do you know? The line, if a parallel means, see, side by side. The line is beside the another line. Okay, down. Those are parallels, we call it as. Each line is, okay, at the same distance only, that two. Okay, those lines we call it as parallels of latitude. What we call? Parallels of latitude. And these lines, okay, vertical lines I said, no, from north to south, okay, those lines are called meridians. What we call? Meridians. Meridians of longitude. Longitude means what? Those are running from north to south. The lines that are running from north to south, those are vertical lines. The vertical lines running from north to south, those are called meridians. The lines which are running from, okay, east to west, okay, horizontal lines, those lines are called parallels of latitude. Have you understood up to here, children? Now, coming to first, today we will see about latitudes. Okay, longitudes in another class I will tell. Okay, first we will see about latitudes, means parallels. Okay, parallels of latitudes. Now look at here. The line which is exactly at the middle of the earth. Okay, the imaginary, this is also imaginary line only. Okay, this imaginary line exactly divides the earth into two equal halves. Suppose, take a ball. Okay, if the ball is exactly divided into two equal halves, this line, okay, we call it as equator. What we call? What we call? Equator. Means what? Equally divided. Equal means, you know, no? Same. This half is same. Means equally. Okay, shared. Here, this is same as it is, like that half. Okay. So, equator is the line. Okay. That is the parallel line. Nothing but horizontal line that divides the earth into two equal halves. Two equal halves means what? This is one half, right? This is another half. This line, okay, look at here. This line I am drawing very thickly, okay. This line divides the earth into two equal halves here. This is one half, this is another half. Now, I said it is an axis is having a point, right? This is a point, right? What is this point? North pole. And what is this point? South pole. Why? This is towards the north side and this is towards the south side. Like that, here also, okay. When the lines are moving like this, then at last we have a point only. There is no line, okay. It is a end with a point. Okay, here also it is end with a point. Now, this point is north pole. What is that? North side, right? So, here directions I wrote now. This is towards the north side. So, this is north pole and this one is, tell me now, south pole. Have you understood up to here, children? Right? Now, see the half, okay, the earth is equally divided into two equal halves, okay, with the line equator, okay. This half, okay, from here to here and again from here to here. Wait a minute, I'll grab all this, okay. Look at here. Now look at here, children. What I said to you. Today we will talk only about latitudes, okay. So here, these are the parallels of latitudes I said. What are all these? These are all lines are parallels of latitude, right? Now, these parallels, the earth, okay, exactly middle of the earth, okay, that line, what I said, that line is equator, right? It divides, this line divides the earth into two equal halves, okay. This is one half and this one is another half, right, children? Now, the half that is towards the north, this is north direction, right? That one towards the north, that one we call it as northern hemisphere. North side. Okay, hemisphere means, hemi means half, sphere means it is a round, right? Circle, right? When the ball is, it is a sphere, right? So when it is equally divided, the upper half, okay, we call it as northern hemisphere. This full from here to here, okay, northern hemisphere. And from here to here, okay, this one, this is which side now? This is south side, right? This end point, I said this is the pole, north pole, and this one is south pole, okay. Now the upper half, okay, the equator divides the earth into two equal halves. The half of the earth, okay, towards the north side is northern hemisphere, and the half of the earth towards the south side is southern hemisphere. What we call southern hemisphere. Hemisphere means, sphere means it is a globe, okay, it is round in shape. This sphere is half means hemi. Half means what? Hemi means nothing but half, right? Half sphere, right? It is half sphere only, right? And this one is also another half. So south side southern hemisphere, north side northern hemisphere. Have you understood up to here, children? Now see, this equator, the latitudes are measured in degrees. What? Those are measured in degrees. Now this line is there, no? This line is, okay, 0 degrees. What is that? It is measured in degrees. The equator is always 0 degrees. Remember, the 0 degrees, see, from 0 degrees to towards the north side, we are going up now. So here so many lines are there, okay, from 0 to 90. How many? Up to north pole we have 90, okay. That means how many lines I said? 90 lines. Each one 1 degree, okay. Remember, each line represents 1 degree. That means here 90 degrees, right? North pole I said 90. So 90 degrees here. And like that same here south pole also 90. That means 90 degrees. Now tell me how many lines are there? Here from 0 to, okay, towards the north pole we have 90. Okay. That means 90 degrees. Each line represents 1 degree. Okay. So here each line represents 1 degree, like that 90. Okay. 90 parallels are there towards the north side, up to north pole, and towards the south side also we have 90. Okay. Each one represents 1 degree. So 90 degrees. Have you understood? So I will show you like here. Look at here. See, 10, 20, 30, 40, like that up to 90. Okay. That means here 10 lines, 10 degrees, 20 lines, 20 degrees, 30 lines, 30 degrees. Have you understood, children? So like that 90 lines, that means 90 degrees. And here also towards the south side also we have 90. That means 90 degrees up to here. Okay. So here important latitudes are there. Okay. I will show you. Have you understood up to here? The line that equally divides the earth into two equal halves, which line that is? Equator. Okay. This equator, okay, the half that is towards the north side is northern hemisphere, and the half that is towards the south side is southern hemisphere. And each sphere is having each one, okay, each line represents 1 degree. Okay, like that 90 degrees up to 90 degrees until north pole. Okay, like that here also up to 90 degrees, okay, towards the south pole. Have you understood up to here, children? Now look at here. There are 4 important lines. Okay, there are 4 important lines are there for this latitudes, means parallels of latitudes. Now look at here what I said here. Okay, another important line I am drawing thickly. Okay, another important line is around here 0 degrees, no, right? Equator, this is equator. Equator is always 0 degrees. right? Equator is 0 degrees. Now at around 23.5, okay, degrees. At around 23.5 degrees, we have another line. I am showing just for your okay convenience, somewhat thick. This line, okay, is around 23.5 degrees. That line, okay, we call it as Tropic of Cancer. What we call? Tropic of Cancer. Where it is towards the north side, right? So it is represented as N. Remember, the lines which are towards the north side always represents with N, and the lines which is towards the south side always represents with S. Okay, and another line is there. Here I am drawing very thickly. Okay, look at here. Another important line. There are 4 important lines, latitudes. Okay, see here. This is again 23.5 degrees south. Which one? This line. Okay, so this line is 23.5 degrees south, and this one is 23.5 degrees north, and this one has a specific name, that is, this line we call it as Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, now look at here, the line, okay, there are 4 important parallels. Okay, there are 4 important latitudes are parallels. Okay, those latitudes I am saying now. Equator is equally divided, and the line which is at 23.5 degrees north side, that is Tropic of Cancer, and the line which is at 23.5 degrees south, okay, that is Tropic of Capricorn. Now children, you know, right, here our earth is having, okay, at the south side, okay, we have Antarctica, right, continent Antarctica. So towards the here a circle is there. Okay, this circle, okay, here, look at here, this line, these are all circles. Remember, what are all these? Not a specific line, those are like a circle, like a bangle. You know bangle, see, if you cut, it looks like this, no? If you cut the half, then half is looking like this, isn't it? If you turn, then it is again round, isn't it? Like this. So here, what I am saying here, so these are all circles. Okay, these are all parallels are circles. Now here the length of it is more, where equator is having more length, and the length here is very less, like a dot. This is north pole, right, and this one is south pole, right children? Now here the line, it is around 66.5 degrees south side. This is towards the south side, no? See, our earth is having towards the south side, which continent I said? Antarctica, right? So this circle we call it as, okay, Antarctic circle. What we call? What we call, children? Antarctic circle, where 66.5 degrees south side, and here also 66.5 degrees, okay, north side. We have another circle. What is there? Which ocean is there up? Tell me. Arctic, right? So this circle we call it as Arctic circle. Okay, these are the 4 important lines on the, okay, surface of the earth. Have you understood? These are all imaginary lines only. By using these lines, we can locate the place on the earth, right children? Now tell me, what are the 4 important lines? First one is the, see here, this one, towards the north side, Tropic of Cancer. Second one is towards the south side, where 23.5 degrees south, that is Tropic of Capricorn. And towards the north side, we have 66.5 degrees north. At that place, we have Arctic circle. This is third one. And here 66.5 degrees south side, we have Antarctic circle. Have you understood up to here, children? Right? Now, I'll tell you some features of these parallels. Okay, first one. These are all parallels are circles. What are all these? These are all circles. See here. See here. I said parallel. Parallels means these horizontal lines. These lines, okay, are like circles. Look at here, like this. If you look like this, these are like circles, right? Which is the biggest circle? Tell me. At the middle. That means equator. Right, children? Understood? Which is the biggest length of the circle? Which one? That is equator. Equator is the biggest, longest circle. Right? Now, when we come to towards the pole side, okay, towards the pole side we have like a dot. The circles also, the length, okay, length of the circle is also decreasing, isn't it? Length of the circle is also decreasing. Here middle means more length of, circle is there, more length of circle is there, and the circle size is slowly like this. See here I will draw. Okay, if you see from the up, here North Pole suppose. Like these circles if you are seeing from the up. Have you understood now? So biggest circle is equator, and like that only back side. That means it is going down and like a dot. So all parallels are, okay, are circles. Okay, and also see here distance between these two parallels. This is one parallel and this one is another parallel. Distance between the two parallels is always the same. Remember, first one is, have you understood these important lines? Okay. Next, coming to important features of these parallels. First one, what I said, all are circles. All parallels are circles, right? And second one, distance between two parallels is same. Okay, so always the same. Always means every time the distance is same between each other, each parallel. Like that, how many parallels? 90 are there, 90 degrees, right? Here also 90. Total how many? Do you know? All latitudes. Do you know how many? Here 90 I said. Towards here 90 and here 90. And the middle equator is there now. Another one. This one. Total tell me. You count. Tell me now. 90 plus 90 how much? 180. Okay. Along with equator. How many latitudes total? 181. Have you understood? That is another one. Okay, tell me children now, how many latitudes are there total on the earth? 181 latitudes. Understood? Parallel lines. Right children? Have you understood up to here? So distance between the two parallels is always same. This is a distance I am saying. This distance, this distance, this is like that. Distance is always same. Okay, and the circle is decreasing. Here the length of the, okay, equator is more here. Okay, longest circle this one, and after that this circle length is decreasing. Okay, up to here it is completely decreases. Okay, and here also the length of the circle is, if you are moving from towards the south side and towards the pole side, okay, towards the poles, the length of the parallels are decreasing. Have you understood up to here? That is another feature. Length of parallels decreases. Decreases means it decreases in size, in that okay, size. Decreases from equator to poles, right? Towards the poles. This is another feature. Have you understood up to here children? Right? Now total how many latitudes I said on the earth? Total 181. Why? Tell me. Towards the north side 90, towards the south side also 90, total 180, along with equator, okay, 181. Have you understood up to here children? Yes, I'll show you a small video.
Planet Earth is a delicately beautiful planet in an endless ocean of space and darkness. The Earth is our home, and we all share the same home as one family. Planet Earth is the largest of the inner planet. It is made up of continents and oceans. The Earth is so big in size that it was difficult to tell the location of any place on the Earth. And so, a Greek philosopher and mathematician, Eratosthenes, came up with latitudes and longitudes. Now, the spinning of the Earth on its axis provides two naturally fixed points, and that is North Pole and South Pole. When you have glance at any globe, it will show a series of north-south and east-west lines, and together they make up the Earth's grid system. It is also known as geographical grid. These lines are used to find the exact location of a place on the Earth. The north-south lines are known as meridians of longitude, and they extend from the North Pole to the South Pole. All these meridians are actually half circles. The east-west lines are known as parallels of latitude. So, what are latitudes? Latitude is an angular distance of a place north or south of the equator. Supposing I say Mumbai is 19 degrees north. This means Mumbai is 19 degrees north of the equator. Now, if a line were to be drawn from Mumbai on the globe to the center of the globe, then the line would make an angle of 19 degrees with the horizontal. Another angle of 19 degrees can be measured south of equator. So there are two 19 degrees, one in the north and other one in the south. So it must be clearly mentioned when I say 19 degrees, Mumbai is at 19 degrees north. The line of latitude is then drawn through Mumbai parallel to the equator. This parallel of latitude is 19 degree north latitude. Any place or point on this parallel of latitude would form an angle of 19 degree at the center. Every parallel of latitude is a circle. So, there are 90 parallels of latitude in the northern hemisphere to the north of the equator. Similarly, there are 90 parallels of latitude in the southern hemisphere to the south of the equator. Now, all the lines of latitude are not drawn on a globe for practical reasons. Because if I draw all the lines, the map would appear very crowded. So what are the points to be noted? First thing is, a latitude is an angular distance of a place north or south of the equator. There are 180 parallels of latitude. Each parallel of latitude is a circle. All the parallels of latitude are not of equal length. The circles become smaller as we move towards the pole. The equator, that is at 0 degrees, is the most important latitude and the largest circle that can be drawn on the globe. It divides the earth into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Now the distance between any two parallels of latitude is always 111 kilometers. The North Pole and the South Pole are fixed points and serve as basic points of reference. Now, what is the importance of latitudes? Latitudes are related to the temperature on the surface of the Earth. Planet Earth is spherical in shape. So different part of the Earth receives different amount of sunlight.
Watch the video, children. Now it is clear for you what are the latitudes, right? Now just we'll revise once. Okay, revision. Now tell me quickly. The equator is the dash latitude. Which latitude that is exactly in the middle? How many degrees I said? Yes. 0 degrees, right? 0 degrees latitude. Equator is 0 degrees latitude. Next, the total number of latitudes are, how many latitudes I said? From equator to North Pole 90, from equator to South Pole 90, and equator is one more. How many are they total? Yes, 181. How many? 181 latitudes, right? Now, Tropic of Cancer is a, what it is? Tropic of Cancer is a parallel line, right? Parallel, nothing but it is a latitude. What it is? It is a latitude. Next, dash of latitudes are circles. Which one are circles I said? Those are nothing but parallels, right? Parallels of latitude. Right, children? The line that divides the earth into two equal halves. What is that line? Yes, equator. What is that? Equator. Have you understood up to here? Yes. Next. Match the following, children. Column A and column B. Okay, we have here column A, all the parallels of latitude, right? And here in the column B, all the degrees. Okay, now you have to match which line is refers to the which degree, right? Now, Tropic of Cancer. Now tell me, I said to you from 0 to 90 degrees north and from 0 to 90 degrees south, right? Now 0 to 23.5 degrees, here Tropic of Cancer line is there. Where? North side, right? 23.5 degrees north. Match to that and write down answer C. Okay? Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degrees north side, right? See here. This is 0 degrees and this line is Tropic of Cancer. It is around 23.5 degrees, right? That is towards north side. This is towards south side. Now 23.5 degrees is Tropic of Cancer. Remember. Next, equator. Equator which degree? Tell me. 0 degree, right? D. Match and write down answer D. Equator. Next, Tropic of Capricorn. Now Tropic of Capricorn which line? Which towards south side, right? At which degree? 23.5 degrees south, right? Where it is? See here. Here A. Match to that and write down the answer inside. Okay, note on all these bits in your homework book, children. Okay, read these bits. Next, coming to Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle is towards the Antarctica, right? I said. So at which degree I said? Towards the south side, that is towards the bottom. See here, towards the bottom. So it is towards south side. Where it is? Here, right? So answer is E. Next, Arctic Circle towards the north side, right? Where it is? Answer here, right, children? Answer is B. Have you understood up to here? So next class we'll learn about longitudes. Okay, children, take care. Bye.